And so yesterday night we stopped at Panipat and took a rest there for the night because it was around 9 o'clock by the time, 8:30 by the time we reached Panipat. So we just stopped there, which is around 80 kilometers from Delhi. And now we reached Delhi around 9 o'clock, 8:30, 8:39. And now we are going, juggling through the... Okay, so I had to stop the recording because I was entering the Cant area, the defense, which is for our safety. So I don't record in the Cant. And now we are out of the Cant, on the right side in the Cant, outside the Cant now, and off to Karol Bagh. So a couple of things which I want to get it done. So if you see, this D has broken. I just want to see if I can get the complete one and get the things done, and some couple more small things which I have to upgrade. So I'll just see if I can get that done. And yeah, that's the only thing which I have in Karol Bagh. After that we'll be going to, we'll have a food at India Gate in the Andhra Bhavan in Delhi. It's been 15 days having the Andhra food, so we'll see if we have that. And after that, meeting a couple of friends. A friend, I'll meet him after 25 years, because we met last was in 10th class. So we'll meet him and a girl, and then in the evening we have a meetup by the BAC Club Delhi, where we'll be meeting the riders and enjoying some me time. So yeah, all that will come in the video, and so please don't stop watching the video until the end of the till the end, and do watch the video till the end of the end. And if you like it, please do subscribe to the channel and press that hit button as well. So let's quickly go to Karol Bagh, and let me show you what Karol Bagh looks like. And here's Karol Bagh metro station, the red line. So here's the Drishti IS who's sponsored the metro, I think. Then we are almost there near the main lane of Karol Bagh. So let's quickly go. It's Drishti IS building. And welcomed by BBT, Big Boy Toys, supercars for superstars. This is all the Karol Bagh lanes, and Main Street we'll just quickly go. And the shops, the car decor, Minister Minister, and the car decors started second right now. Car accessories, all car accessories. It's like Minister Road in Hyderabad. One side it's a food court, one side it's a car decors. Hey, Kadi, this is Minister Road. Next to Karam Court. Anni car le kada. ఎక్కుతలేదు బండి, ఆ బండి ఎక్కుతలేదు. మళ్ళీ మోడిఫికేషన్లు. దినేష్ టబరి అది ఇంకా ఐ ఫ్యూచర్. Alright, here we are at Chopra Helmets, buying the gel seat. Buying the gel seat for look at the helmets. We have a huge amount of collection of helmets, and gel seat कहाँ है भैया?
जल सीट ना सर,
लगा दो ना
सर। 1600 रुपए का होगा, इससे कम में नहीं होगा।
कुछ तो कम करो यार।
कुछ नहीं कम सर, 1800 रुपए रेट है। आपको ऐसे वाला रेट बताया ना, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा घबरा गया हूँ।
ग्रैंड पिट स्टॉप
देना तो है ही है आपको। हमारा दोस्त अंदर भेजे यहाँ पे दिल्ली वाले।
ग्रैंड पिट स्टॉप एंड लुक्स गुड, so just buying.
नीचे आ जा बेटा।
Alright, done with the work. Got the gel sheet and the pad which I had changed, and this has been done with the black mat wrap. So got it done on the Chopra's automobiles. So did a very good job, to be frank. At least the wrapping and the thigh pad. So thank you. If you are interested, you can come on this place. Just search on Google the Chopra's helmet and you will find it. Alright, so let's go have the food. There's a phone number. We'll go to Andhra Bhavan now and have food. Have the proper Andhra food after 15 days. Let's go.
Two hours later.
Alright, we are here at Andhra Bhavan in Delhi. The people are from. Where did you come from? Ongol. Odisha. You know? Rajmendri. Mana Rajmendri. Hey, Chandrababu. So we have everyone here from us. And we are here for the food. The Andhra food. Sikakulam. Mana Sikakulam. So, it's food. It's a restaurant. People from Telangana or Andhra Pradesh who are ready to serve for us. And the food is, it's veg meals, dal, aloo fry, papad and cheese already there, puri is there. Is it bendakaya? Right. Anna dintawa bendakaya? Nu dinava kada? Idu anni mana inti food anta idi. Alright, let's have a quickly food and I'll tell you the days back once I'm done. Alright, done with the food. It is Andhra food after a long time, after 15 days. Now, going back to the room, the taste was really good. I think might be because it's been 15 days we had our Andhra food. That might be the reason, but yeah, very heavy. Now going back to the room and we'll take some rest for some time and then go to meet our childhood friends from 10th class after 24 days. And పొద్దున వద్దాం రేపు. And Andhra Bhavan is just beside India Gate, and here's India Gate. Just give me a minute. Here's the India Gate. పండుకుందామా? That's India Gate. ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఇంకోటి. పొద్దున రేపు పొద్దున. That's India Gate. Kartavya Path. And this is the Mansingh Road with Kartavya Path. Then Digna. So let's go. We'll come back again tomorrow in the morning. తెలుసు. So let's go. We'll come back again in tomorrow morning for the photos at the India Gate, and you can see the same in the Instagram. Now let's go to the room. Rest. ఇది పాతదా కొత్తదా? అది కొత్తది. ఇది Rashtrapati Marg. Ante. See this, and that's the new old one. New is on the opposite side. ఎట్లా అంటే అట్లా రేపు పొద్దున్న చూద్దాం. సరే వద్దు.
later that same evening.
Right. After meeting my friends, I'm back here in the Bikaner Wala near the Okhla NSIC metro station, and we have the club from club members of BSc Delhi who have hosted the dinner. And let me introduce to everyone. You know, CVD. भाई आपका नाम? मंजोत from BSc Delhi. विश्वजीत BSc Delhi. Sir, आपका नाम? Sunil Kullar from BSc Delhi. Arvind from BSc Hyderabad. So that's the group. We have a couple more, two more person. He's just out. So yeah, we'll have a dinner. We'll have a snacks here and head back to the room. And the food is here. Pani puri, Raj kachori, deluxe thali from Bikaner wala. Sir, आपका इंट्रोडक्शन? जयंत फ्रॉम BSc दिल्ली. सबका हो गया तो आपका पेंडिंग था.